Assalamu alaikum. Today in this lecture we will learn about arrays in Java. So let's start a new project and create a new package. Now let's create a new class, Java class arrays. Let's start with creating a new method, arrays. And here we will create array of integer marks. So new integer, and then we will create an array of string subjects, and in subjects English, math, physics, chemistry, and for their marks 42, 40, 35, 41. And then system.out.println total subjects, subjects.length, and for first subject index 0, subjects 0, and for last subject and for index subjects dot length -1. We cannot run this program right now because we don't have any main method here. So let's create main method, public static void main, and let's call this method arrays. And here we have total subjects 4, first subject English, last subject chemistry. Now let's write marks with subject, that's how we read arrays using index number. Let's create a 2D array, array 2D, new integer, and let's create some sets in it. For index 0, 0, 1, for index 1, 2, and 3, and for index 2, 4, 6. System.out.println at index 0, array 2D, for index 1 and 0, and here it is 2, index 1, and at index 0 it is 2. And that's how we access array using their index numbers. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.